Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Dave here at, oh my gosh, it's going to be Monday. I guess we skipped Sunday. I got pretty busy here at the ranch. I'm currently here at the ranch right now. I'm gonna put this camera, I'm gonna put the light here because I'm putting a light on so I can have better freedom to my hands. I should have converted this back to the module. I'm coming out on the GoPro Hero 9 with the mod lens. I would have to take the mod lens off and put the ordinary lens back in order to use the mod media. Well, maybe not. No, maybe not. I'm not sure. I'll have to check on that. Anyways, I've been using the Insta360 One X2, and since I have problems with the Wi-Fi, I usually just get home and take the SD card out and run it to a computer, run it through a studio. I've been doing that all week. I've been doing that for almost 2 weeks already, maybe even more than 2 weeks. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start using the GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens and the mod media also. With the mod media also. So I mean that I just recently made a purchase, and I'm gonna grab the light right now because I want to show you. Just recently made a purchase of a MacBook Pro. It's one that's got the M1 chip. I got it with a 16 gigabyte, 3 terabyte hard drive, and I added an extra 2 terabytes of SSD, solid state something. Here, let me show you the box. I got it in here somewhere. Where the heck is it? Here. Here it is. I added this one on there. This is supposed to be a better external hard drive because it runs out of a 1050 upload and 1000 download, which is pretty fast. But it's a very, very expensive penny. But I'm gonna be running off of this one because since I'm at work and at night sometimes when I'm out checking the farm, gives me a chance to sometimes take some video shots at night. And I gotta wait till I get home, and sometimes I'm so dead tired that I don't even want to deal with the camera. I just go directly to bed. And this other way, I just bought me this laptop, and as soon as I do the download, I do the download from the camera to the iPhone. Now, I don't think I can do it from the camera to the computer because I don't think a MacBook has an application to download, especially since you got to do a lot of reframe. Well, I've seen it on my iMac Pro desktop at home that I can do the reframe on the GoPro area, but I haven't done it here on this small laptop yet. I'm still trying to get used to this, but I don't have any accessories that came with it. It didn't come with any accessories. The only thing I can think of is that I should get a USB adapter to a USB-C, and that's probably going to be the only way so that I can put an SD card connection towards the side, because it only has two two of the connections now. One of them is pretty much blocked because of the laptop stand. I have it hooked up with the truck here. That box is where the laptop came from. I haven't thrown the box away yet. But I'm gonna start running my movies at night since I have the gravy shift right now. And according to this laptop, it's supposed to be 15 times faster than your ordinary top of the line laptop, which means it's supposed to be super fast. And since I have it with 16 gigabytes and 3 terabytes of hard drive, plus an extra 2 more external, I think that's all I need to be able to run 5.7K, maybe even 8K from my QCam camera. And of course, GoPro only does 5.6 on the GoPro Max. Fusion is discontinued. Whoever has Fusion, just put it away as paperweight. It might still work, but I don't know if GoPro still has any support for that. It's all I gotta say for tonight. It's just an introduction, welcoming this little toy laptop into the blog family, the farm family, and it should work out okay. I'll put that. Move the fingers so it can get bright again. It's got a full battery, which means that according to them, it's supposed to give me 20 hours of use. And since I have unlimited LTE internet Wi-Fi coming directly from the truck, this truck that I bought came with when I bought this truck, which is a brand new truck. When I signed the paperwork on it, they gave me 14 months of free internet, courtesy of AT&T, to the Wi-Fi system, to the Chevy pickup Wi-Fi system, and it's pretty strong. I'm not sure if you Chevy owners out there have the Wi-Fi also, but AT&T's Chevy Wi-Fi system is pretty strong. Because I'm able to watch movies on YouTube. I'm able to put my iPad in here and turn on Disney Plus to watch all the Disney channels and stuff, Star Wars and stuff like that. But it's pretty strong internet, and I'm surprised because I'm like in the middle of nowhere. I'm out here in the boonies. I'm here about 16, 17 miles, sometimes even 20 miles northwest of Austin, Texas, the middle of nowhere. Pretty much, as soon as you pass the hill country area, it starts to flatten down, which is all agriculture. It's just west of Lago Vista. So, it's in the middle of nowhere where you can pretty much just hear the coyotes sing and it's quiet out here. It's peaceful. Not dangerous, but a lot of people, I guess, they're afraid of the night, so they tend not to hang around in these areas, which is better for me. But I like working the gravy train anyway, so it's very peaceful. Anyways, I'm gonna shut it down for now. We're coming up to 9 minutes of video time. We're gonna make it up to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna stop it there because this is gonna be 2.7K that I'm gonna be running to this computer to see how fast it can do that, and then I'll probably be running it through Final Cut Pro Plus and see how it looks on YouTube. You all have a good night, and God bless.